I'm Sean from Yuuma. Thank you for giving me the courage to do the second video. And today I'm very lucky I got my friend helping me with the video. Thanks Shota. So today we're gonna do something very Australian. We're gonna do a barbecue. So for Japanese barbecue we got Yakitori. So it's the grilled chicken. So today the same, we always get problem with overcook the chicken or undercook the chicken. So I'm gonna show you my step and my technique of cooking a good yakitori. So for my yakitori, I'm not gonna put any oil on top, but I will going to season it. So we're gonna do the salt. So we put salt on the yakitori first. So not only one side, we're gonna do both sides. So we turn. It's very important that we put the salt evenly, so you don't get one piece is very salty and the other piece doesn't have any flavor. So the first step we're gonna do is to grill the color outside. Then we put it to rest, put sauce on, bring it back again, and then we're gonna cook through it. So let's get started. So with the charcoal, I do it only halfway through only. So where we can rest the yakitori on the other side. So with this one, then we need to give it a little bit time to cook. So don't worry, it will cook. Give it color. You don't have to always go and turn it. Just give it some time. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn it so it cook on the other side. Don't worry that the chicken is a little bit sticky on the grill, but it will get better because once the ingredient cook, the fat from the ingredient itself will come up and give a little bit of the grease on the grill. So when you can see the color outside is something like this, or it's already got good nice color, we're gonna remove the yakitori from the heat. So there's no heat over this side. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna brush in the sauce. So I recommend two sauces from Yuuma that you can use. So it's either the Balsamic Teriyaki or you can use the green racha. It's a little bit funny with the green racha, but I promise you this is the best taste later. So open up the sauce with a brush, or you can spoon over the sauce. So we're gonna brush in the sauce. So like I did with the steak, we leave it away from the heat so that we use the heat that is already cooking the yakitori to penetrate to the middle, so the middle parts will cook without overcooking the outside part. So same with the green racha, you just need to brush it on. And we're gonna do both sides. Remember both sides, so even flavor. So after this sauce, then we bring it back to the heat again. But this time you need to keep a close eyes. I mean keep attention to the cooking, because with the sauce, with the sugar in the sauce, the things might get burned really quick. So you need to look after them. So now we can hear this sizzling sounds. It sounds so sexy, right? So when we turn, we can brush in another layer of sauce. So the first layer, it will slowly cook into the meat. Then we give it another layer. So the other layer will slowly penetrate into the meat as well. And at the same time, when the sauce drops into the charcoal, it will bring out the smoke and give it a nice smoky flavor. So when you see this nice color, so don't worry about undercook, because we cook, let it rest and cook again. I'm sure the inside already cooked. So when it's ready, when you see something like this, it's ready. So I already got the plate ready, the stomach ready. So here we go. That's our yakitori. Hello everyone, I'm Sean from Yuuma. sorry. Something like this happened, and you need to remove it from the heat. Oh, I think this one very nice. Before you overcook. Okay.